Now, today we're going to post an email into Aaron Viral Mailer. Okay, now this particular viral mailer is free to join. It does have an upgraded feature, but you can it's free to join and you can use this as a free member. Okay, you do not have to pay to use this particular mailer. It does have a free component to it. Okay, now so the first thing that you would do, this is what it would look like on the inside. So you will click on Mail Center. Okay, and then you will go here to mailer. So you would click on mailer and we want to send an email. Okay, so now we're going to, this is the page that we will send the email from. Now the email that I'm going to send, I already have it saved on a notepad. So I'm going to go in and copy it, and then I am going to paste it here. Okay. Now, this is the URL. This is the target URL. So I'm going to cut it and I'm going to paste it here. Okay. Now, let's see. I want to send this to my downline, and it says I could send to 244 people plus my downline. Okay, so I'm going to tell it 244. Okay. Then I'm going to go up here. Now I want to determine which subject line I would like to use. I'm going to go with this one here. So I will cut it and paste it in the subject line. And then I'm going to delete all of that, and I'm going to grab the micro for the first name. So by me putting that there, it will insert the first name of the recipient. Okay. Uh, so this looks okay. Now I want to grab the link for the credit link. Okay, so I'm going to grab the micro, and where it says get a free copy here, I'm going to put that there. Okay. Now, let's see. I want to take, this is my salutation, so I'm going to cut it. And I'm going to, what's wrong? It didn't take it? Let's see here. Let me try that again. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I'm going to do this and put a comma. Okay. So now let me go back up here, check to make sure everything is the way I would like for it to be. Okay. So everything looks good. Okay, cool. Oh, I need to delete this at the bottom. Okay, so everything looks good. So I want to send this now. 244 sent to my downline. So I'm going to click send. Okay. So it's going to go through the process. It's going to check it to make sure everything is good. This is the lead magnet that I'm sending. And then I'm going to click confirmed. Okay. Now, Okay, I would like to check to see how my previous campaigns, uh, the performance of them. So I will go here to send email, and it will pull up all of my previous emails that I have sent out. Okay. Now this is the one that I just sent. It hasn't. It's in the process of sending. It's sending, but it hasn't completed itself yet. And so these are the numbers it was sent to. This is the number of clicks, and this right here is what is called the click-through rate. Now anything that's two and above is considered good. Okay, I have a three here, a 3% here. Two and above is good. Okay. So this is how you send an email with Aaron Environmental. Remember, success leaves clues. No 0 days. You have to work on your dreams, your goals, and your aspirations every day. Now, there's a group of people out there that are believing to live at least 120, 130 years of age. And I happen to be a member of that group. I'm believing to live a good long life and good health, climbing up a new mountain, 130 years of age. Y'all take care, and we'll see you later.